Animals make different sounds for their communication. They make gestures with different sounds. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Lion, the many sounds of a lion. They grunt, growl, moan, hiss and snarl, but of course the most famous call of all is their roar. It's often called the sound of Africa. Interestingly, the structure of their voice box which enables them to roar means they cannot purr. Lioness makes a variety of sounds, including deep, powerful roars and growls to alert her pride to danger, and soft grunts to call her cubs. Her vocalizations can be used for warnings, communication within the pride, and locating other members. Tigers make a range of sounds including growling, roaring, moaning and chuffing. Pruston, like other big cats, tigers make loud, powerful roars to advertise their territory and to attract a mate. Depending on the terrain, tiger roars can be heard from several kilometers away. Leopards make a distinctive deep, guttural roaring sequence often referred to as sawing, as it resembles the sound of someone hand-sawing wood. Both male and female leopards make these sawing calls. Leopards also make a range of growls, snarls, meow, purrs and hisses. Cheetahs produce a variety of sounds including growls, purrs that generally denote contentment, chirps between a mother and her cubs, and an explosive yelp heard by humans from 2 kilometers, 1.24 mi, away. An elephant's sound is called a trumpet when it is excited or distressed, but the most common sound is a low-frequency rumble, which is used for long-distance communication. Elephants also make other sounds, including growls, squeaks, and snorts. Giraffe infrasounds are the primary sound that a giraffe makes, but beyond that, these majestic animals produce some other noises as well. Additionally, you might hear them grunt, snort, or even let out a rare moo-like giraffe sound. Bears communicate and cooperate with strangers. They can also deceive, bluff, or manipulate. When bears communicate with intention, they mechanically generate sounds and actions. They chomp their teeth, huff, swat, false charge, and make a guttural ha sound. Wolf, the main sound of a wolf is called a howl, but other words that describe wolf vocalizations include growl, whine, whimper, and bay. While howl is the most iconic sound, a wolf's communication is a complex mix of different sounds. Chimpanzees use their own sets of vocalizations to communicate with each other. Chimps will grunt while waiting for food. Chimps in the wild will use the same grunting noise as a notification to other chimps that they have located food. General sounds that chimps make are called pant hoots. Pant hoots are the most common type of chimpanzee call, and the vocalization of it gets louder as they continue to make the sound. Foxes are known to make several sounds, including barks, screams, howls, yelps, and squeals. Other sounds include a sound called geckering or clicketing, and some can even make a purring or snore-like sound. Fox barks are used for communication, especially during mating season. Hippopotamus are noisy creatures and can make a wonderful range of rubbery grunts, groans, squeals, trumpeting billows and wheezy breathing sounds. Hippo calls can be very loud. Their sounds have been measured at 115 decibels and can be heard from several kilometers away. Mandrill is the largest monkey on Earth, known for their vibrant colors and family-oriented nature. Mandrill communicate with lots of verbalizations, ranging from including high-pitched screams to deep grunts. Zebra the bray is the zebra's most iconic sound. It begins as a low growl and rises into a high-pitched squeal. The call is often described as hiccuping with alternating pitch. Gaur, also known as the Indian bison, is a large wild bovine native to South and Southeast Asia. The gaur billow has been described as an elephant's trumpet, and it is a powerful and impressive sound that can be heard from a distance. Gorillas roar, scream, and hoot, a frightening display of power, typically accompanied by a charge. A gorilla's communication by roar, scream, or hoot is an angry call used in tense conditions. Gorillas display their teeth and create a loud wah sound to scare others away. Deers are the beautiful animal. Grunting is one of the most common noises that deer make, used for communication between deer. It is a low, guttural sound. A common greeting grunt makes an URP noise, but not all grunts are the same. Several variations can help identify who is making the noise. The sound of a hyena is called a whoop, laugh, or giggle, and they also make other noises like grunts, groans, and howls. The laugh is a well-known sound that can indicate excitement or stress, and whoops are loud, long-distance calls used to communicate with other hyenas. The cutest baby Nora screams golden lion tamarins have a wide range of vocalizations, including chirps, whistles, barks, and howls. Each vocalization has a specific purpose, like social bonding, food alerting, and threat alerting.